name is Brandon and my course is Electronic Systems. I am actually a year 3 student.
So what is the product?
Okay, we are actually doing a driverless vehicle. Okay, in Singapore, we try to build a future of Singapore. Healthcare is important. We want it smart and automated. A smart town, next generation airport. And what you see here actually is actually the future of mobility. This is actually a driverless car done by previous batches, many batches of lecturers and ex-students that were here to work on this program. Now, the brain of the car, as you can see here, is actually the computer. Okay, it runs 3 softwares. It took 3 softwares, actually runs one, but it takes 3 softwares to make it come from ground up. Okay, one is C programming, where it does most of the connections between the battery, the motors, the sensors. Okay, C++ is what puts them all together. It's a higher level programming. And we require another operating system from Linux, Ubuntu, to program for Python to do artificial intelligence that you can see at the screen over there. Now, as we move forward to the front of the car, okay, you can see that there's actually 2D sensors. This is a 2D LiDAR, one here and one right here underneath the smart camera. And these sensors actually detect whether there are obstacles in front of you. Now, when it detects an obstacle, as you can see here, human beings are actually pink in color, water bottles are green, bicycles are yellow, chairs are blue. And when it detects an inanimate object like a chair, it will actually try to go around it. If it senses a human being, it will actually decelerate, stop, and try to avoid him afterwards. But safety of the person actually comes first because this is actually a driverless vehicle. As you can see here, this is a speeding LiDAR. It does 3D projection mapping to see the objects that are in front of it. As you can see at the screen there, you can see the whiteboard and everything. White is green, purple is black. So it does this basic mapping of its surroundings. You can see here, this was done by the mapping of the car, alright, to detect where it's actually going to go. Sensors go up to about 30 meters, so this is actually a very powerful sensor. The screen that you see there is only one of the cameras for the webcam as a demonstration purpose, but it's actually 3-dimensional. We have 3D cameras over here to detect from all directions of human beings. So yeah, so welcome to MIP and